Thank you. I remember I got there's lots of fabulous translations of bits of the songs. And there's these two American women who, Carter Block and I can't remember the other woman's name, who translated it so they made it, in a sense, a bit more contemporary. But I fell in love with it when I just first heard it and read it, and worked for several years on putting it together with music. Okay, so I'm a poet, and one of my favourite poets is Dylan Thomas, the great Welsh poet. And a few years ago I went around the world, and I didn't do this consciously, but it ended up looking like I did. I went everywhere Dylan Thomas went. I lived in Larne in South Wales, and then Swansea, then back to New York City, and I stayed for a while at the White Horse Hotel where he used to drink, and eventually he died at St. Vincent's Hospital in New York City. So this is a poem by one of Dylan Thomas's simpler poems, and it's sort of like a creator of his work called In My Craft, or Song and Art. In my craft of summer, exercised of the still night, with only the moon radiant, lovers lie there, all the griefs in their arms, live by singing night, for ambition open. Ivory sheet. Like a proud man apart, raging moon I write on these spindrift pages of the towering dead, with their nightingales and songs, but for lovers their arms round the griefs